Hey class, good evening everyone. I welcome you all to today's class, which is your ICSE grade 10th, and today we are going to start statistics. बहुत easy topic है. Mostly formulas are there, बहुत easy questions होते हैं, but easy and scoring, E and S, easy and scoring topic, because formulas based and direct questions from your books, but scoring 4-mark question is definitely there. ठीक है. So this chapter is a very like I would say कि in case of students it's a very delusional type of topic, because many students don't like it that much. They'll see कि अरे सर इतने सारे formulas है. अरे तो बेटा formulas ही तो हैं, याद कर लो. After that it is nothing. This chapter is nothing. ठीक है. So we are going to discuss this chapter only today, and the next class is going to be your probability, and with that we have completed your whole syllabus. Okay, so let's move ahead. So first question beta we have is this: in a class of 40 students, marks obtained by the student in a class test out of 10 are given below. So these are the marks given. देख लो यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 marks, and the number of students who have got 1 mark is 1, 2 marks is 2, 3 marks is 3, 4 marks is 3 students, 6 students have got 5 marks, like that. Calculate for the following distribution median and mode. तो बेटा mode तो for this is not a grouped frequency distribution है ना, this is a discrete frequency. So mode I know is the mode for this kind of data is the most occurring value. तो बेटा यहाँ पे देखो which one has the highest frequency यार. The highest frequency we are getting, the highest frequency in all of these parts we are getting for this. Highest frequency is what? 10. So beta, if it is the highest frequency 10 means that 10 students have got 6 marks. So this is the most occurring value. So the mode is going to be 6. Remember, the frequency is not the mode, the values are the mode. So 6 is going to be your mode. ठीक है, mode हो गया 6. Let's understand the median. अब बेटा median के लिए you should understand that median is nothing but the middle value, है ना. Median we know that's a median is nothing but the middle value. So how many students are there? There are total 40 students. The number of students is even. If the number of students are even, you know that median is going to be average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation, है ना, correct? So to get this observation beta, to get this observation we need one thing which is called as cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency for this one will be 1 only. Now this one add in the next frequency. 1 plus 2 is going to be 3, 3 plus 3 is going to be 6, 6 plus 3 is going to be 9, 9 plus 6 is going to be 15, 15 plus 10 is going to be 25, 25 plus 5 is going to be 30, 30 plus 4 is going to be 34, 34 plus 3 is going to be 37, 37 plus 3 is going to be 40. So this is your cumulative frequency. अब देखो, we need to find out the average of n. N is what? Number of total number, 40. So 40 by 2 and 40 by 2 plus 1th observation. Okay, that means you want the average of 20th and 21st observation, है ना, 21st. अब बेटा देखो यहाँ पे भाई, what this cumulative frequency says कि sir first value is 1, second and third value is 2, 4 to 6 value is 3, 7 to 9 value is 4, this way. So now 20 and 21st beta, see अब देखो 20 and 21st, for these two observations, which is the just above cumulative frequency. So just larger cumulative frequency than 20 and 21, you can see 15 is smaller than both, 25 is greater than them, है ना. So it means कि sir up to 15th value is coming as 5. Now if I arrange all of them in the increasing order, I will see cumulative frequency tells me that the 15th value is going to be 5. After that till 25th value is going to be 6. So 16th observation, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th and 25th observations, all are going to be 6 only. So beta, I can say 20th observation is also going to be 6, 21st observation is also going to be 6. So average will be 6 plus 6 divided by 2, which is again 6 only. So the median is going to be 6. So median is also 6, mode is also 6. Don't be shocked कि अरे सर कैसे हो सकता है? हो सकता है, it can happen. Okay, चलो, let's move to the next question now. The next question we have is this: a data on the number of patients attending a hospital in a month are given below. Find the average number of patients attending the hospital in a month by using the shortcut method. Take the assumed mean as 45. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So beta, in this kind of questions, the most important thing is drawing the table. है ना? So if you have to use the assumed mean method or the shortcut method, you know that you want to first get the class mark, the value of class mark. You want to get the value of class mark, which is called as xi. So this is the middle value of that. So 10 plus 20, which is 30, divided by 2 is 15. Here it is going to be 25. Here it is going to be 35. Here it is going to be 45. Here it is going to be 55. Here is going to be 65. So these are all your class marks, xi. They are telling you use the assumed mean as 45. Okay. So if I say that sir A is equal to 45, assumed mean, I have told you this is the middle value, assumed mean is 45. So I can say sir xi minus A is going to be equal to 15 minus 45. 15 minus 45 means minus 30. 25 minus 45 is going to be minus 20. 35 minus 45 is going to be minus 10. 45 minus 45 is 0. 55 minus 45 is 10. And 65 minus 45 is going to be 20. So these are going to be your value of xi minus A. Okay? Now these values of xi minus A, you should multiply. You should multiply with the frequencies. Okay, so you will now find out the value of fi into this xi minus A is also called as di, hai na? So we will find out the value of fi into di. So frequency with this xi minus A, so 5 into minus 30 is going to be minus 150. 2 into minus 20 is going to be minus 40. 7 into minus 10 is going to be minus 70. Okay, minus 70, 70. 0 into 9 is 0. 2 into 10 is 20. 5 into 20 is 100. ठीक है बेटा? So add all of them what you are getting. So I will say the summation of FIDI is equal to, देखो क्या हो रहा है, minus 150 minus 40 is going to give you minus 190. Minus 190 and minus 70, if you will add, you will get minus 260. Minus 260 plus 120 if you will do, minus 260 plus 120 if you will do, you will be getting minus 260, 160, minus 140. Okay, so minus 140 you are getting here. ठीक है बेटा, minus 140 is the value of summation of FIDI. What is the summation of frequency? Sum of frequency, it will be 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 9 is 23, 23 plus 2 is 25, 25 plus 5 is 30. Sum of frequency is 30. So beta, now you know that the formula for mean is going to be A plus summation of FIDI divided by summation of FI. So you will solve it for 45 plus, now even if it is negative, no problem, minus 140 divided by 30. तो बस इसको solve कर दो. So you'll be getting 45 and minus 14 by 3. If you will convert it into the decimal, it is going to be 3 4s are 4.66. So you will be getting 45 minus 4.66, which is going to be equal to 41. So 40.33. 40.33 is going to be your answer. देख लो 40.33, हाँ 40.33 is going to be your answer. ठीक है बेटा, you can see the table one more time. The main important part in this finding out the mean ना बेटा, you have learned the 3 methods. Okay, direct method, and then shortcut method, and then the step deviation method. In all those three methods, the formation of the table is very important. उसके बाद में formulas all are very much related. Okay, let's move to the next question. Use graph paper for this question. ठीक है sir. The marks obtained by 120 students in a English test are given below. Draw the ogive and hence estimate the median marks, the number of students who did not pass the test if the percentage was 50, and upper quartile marks. ठीक है बेटा, so we'll draw a less than table for it, है ना? Okay, so what they are saying कि we have to find out the median marks, number of students who did not pass the test if the percentage was 50, and the upper quartile marks. ठीक है, we'll deal with this later. I know if I have to draw the ogive less than ogive, I have to convert it in the less than table. So beta, whenever you convert in the less than table, always remember that the class, we will write na less than something, है ना? Okay, so the less than table में less than which value will pick, 0 or 10 for the first class. Less than 0 you will write or less than 10 you write, right? So whenever you make the less than table, or the upper class limits are taken. So first this 0 to 10 will become less than 10. Then the next part is going to become less than 20. Then the next part will become less than 30. Okay. Then less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80, less than 90, and less than 100. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. है ना? अब now the frequency. For them, you will use the concept of cumulative frequency. So first will remain 5, next will come 5 plus 9 is 14, then 14 plus 16 is going to be equal to what? 14 plus 16 is going to be 30, 30 plus 22 will be 52, 52 plus 26 is going to be 78, 78 plus 18 is going to be, कितने बच्चे हैं यार? Graph 120 students, हाँ, okay. So 78 plus, कहाँ तक थे अपन लोग? Less than 50, okay, till now here we have reached, okay, 52 plus 26, 78 plus 18 will be 96, 96 plus 11 is going to be 107, 107 plus 6 is going to be 113, 113 plus 4 is going to be 117, 117 plus 3 is going to be 120. Now the points which you are going to plot, this is going to be your x coordinate, this is going to be your y coordinate. On a graph paper, draw the point 10, 5, 20, 40, 30, 30, 40, 52, 50, 78, 60, 96, 70, 107, 80, 113, 90, 117, and 100, 120. So formation of table is very important. पहले तो what I have told beta कि भाई whenever we are making this less than table, we will take the upper class limits. We will take what? We will take the upper class limits. Okay, so less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, and the last class will be less than 100, and then the cumulative frequency is taken. So beta, if you will draw this table, this is going to be your table now. Okay, as I have told you, now the plots which you are going to plot, this is going to be x coordinate, this is going to be y coordinate. अब इन सारे points को if you will put, remember beta, the less than ogive will always go upward. ऐसा तुमको दिखेगा. Starting from here, it will always go upward. It will always go upward. Now what the question was asking me to do, question wants me to find out the median marks, number of students who did not pass the test if the pass percentage was 50, and the upper quartile marks. अब देखो, everything you have to answer from this graph. First thing beta, median, but there are total 120 students. There are total 120 students. So the median will be 120 divided by 2, which means what? 60. So beta, just find out ki beta the 60, where is 60 here? Where is 60 lying here? So you will see ki sir 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, 60 is here. So from 60, wherever this will intersect the line, put it here. So it is coming somewhere here between 40 and 50, around 42. That is why they have written median marks as 42. Okay? So that is from the graph you have taken. Then they are saying students who did not pass. So what they are saying ki bhai less than 50 marks are there. If the passing marks, those students who have got less than 50 marks, those students who have got less than 50 marks, they all will be failed. They all will fail. So I will see ki 50 marks are here. Okay. So match it up to this point and see where it is coming. Okay, so it is coming just near to 80. If you will see carefully, this point is going to be 78. That means कि बेटा 78 students are here who have got less than 50 marks. So all those students are failed. So 78 students will fail if the passing marks is 50 marks. Okay. Then the next part comes is upper quartile. तो बेटा upper quartile के लिए you know there is lower quartile, upper quartile, है ना? So there are total what? 120 values. 120 values, upper quartile, you know, since it is even number, it will be 3n by 4. So 3 into 120 by 4 will give you 90. So beta dekho 90 where it is coming. So 90 is here. Let us join it in this part and see where it is intersecting. It is intersecting somewhere here between 50 to 60, near to 55 something. So if you draw the graph carefully, you will get around 57 marks. So this is how you solve this question. After once you have made the table and drawn the graph, the questions are very easy, trust me. Okay, the next question we have is this: using a graph paper, draw a histogram for the given distribution for the number of runs scored by 50 batsmen. Find the mode of data. Beta dekho, by earlier when the discrete data was there, I have told you largest highest occurring value. Now here if you will observe, it is not a discrete data, it is a grouped frequency. It is a grouped frequency distribution table. है ना? So in this kind of data, beta, if you remember, there is a direct formula for the mode you have. You have a direct formula for the mode. So first thing, you have to find out the modal class. The modal class is the class with the largest frequency. So this 4000 to 5000 is going to be your modal class. Okay. So this is going to be a value of f1. The frequency of the previous one will be f0, and frequency of the next class is going to be f2. Lower limit of this class is going to be L, and H here for this case the class interval everywhere is 1000. Bas. So now use the formula. Acha, sorry, they are saying using the graph paper. Okay. Using the graph paper they were saying. So I have told you the formula part. Okay. Now graph paper में what बेटा? You have to draw the histogram, है ना? So histogram draw कर दो, बहुत easy है. It is directly continuous. तो बेटा put कर दो data यहाँ पे. Directly you have got the data here, है ना? See, continuous data is there, so directly you can put 3000 to 4000, 4000, 5000 for the given distribution. Show the number and showing the number of runs scored by 50 batsmen. Estimate the mode. तो बेटा यहाँ पे देख लो. Okay, now you can clearly see that this is going to be your histogram. This is going to be your histogram. So you can easily find out whatever is given. ठीक है बेटा, चलें आगे. Let's move to the next question. If a mean of the following distribution is 24, find the value of A. ठीक है, सुनना ध्यान से. Mean of the following distribution is 24, find the value of A. This is a grouped data. इसका मीन इन्होंने बोला है कि the mean is 24, find out the value of A, this A. अब this mean बेटा you can find out using direct method. This you can find out using the step deviation method. You can find out using shortcut method. Doesn't matter. You can do anything. If you directly go for the direct method, so summation of Fi into Xi you will find out. Xi for this part is going to be 5, for this 15, for this 25, for this 35, for this 45. 5 into 7, 5 7s are 35. 15 into A is 15A. 25 into 8 is 200. 35 into 10 is 350. And 45 into 5 is going to be 225. Add all of them, divide by sum of the frequency. Ab beta yaad rakhna. Okay, sum of the frequency has been given to you. No. So sum of the frequency, you will be getting what? 7 plus 8, 15. Plus 15, 30, 30 plus A. है ना? And this is going to be equal to what? 35, 200. 35 plus 25, it is going to be equal to what? 3260. Okay, this is going to be 260, and plus 200 will be 460, and 460, then 760, 810. So you'll be getting 810 plus 15A. Abbas, you know mean is 24 is equal to summation of Fi Xi. 810 plus 15A divided by 30 plus A. Cross multiply, you will get an equation in A. Solve that equation, you will get your answer. So A is going to be equal to 10. Very easy question. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question we have is this: the marks of 10 students of a class in an examination arranged in ascending order is as follows: 13, 35. So they have already told ki beta it is in ascending order. it is already in the ascending order. X plus 4, 55, 61, 71 and 80. If the median marks is 48, find the value of X. Ab beta see, I know since sir, it is the marks of 10 students, so the median is going to be 10 by 2, which means average of 10 by 2, fifth, and 10 by 2 plus 1, sixth observation. So let's see what is the fifth and sixth observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have to find out the average of, average means x plus 4. These two observations, their average, so divided by 2, is equal to the median, which is 48. Bas, it's very easy. 2x plus 4 is equal to, shift it there, 96. So you'll get 2x is equal to 92. So x is equal to what? 46. Bas, simple. So x is 46 and the other part is going to be 50. Okay? Don't think, sir, how can it be 46? This value is also 46 here. So what, yeah? Two values can be equal. So what? By anywhere you can write. Okay? So this is going to be 46. Let's move to the next question. Calculate the mean of the following distribution using the step deviation method. Ab, the main part is how do you draw the table. एक बार table अगर तुमको मिल गया, then everything is very easy. ठीक है? First thing, beta, remember xi you have to find out. Xi, which is 5, middle value 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Right? Now you can take any one value as any middle value as you can take as assumed mean. Suppose if I take this 35 as a, let's say my a is equal to 35, so my value of di, which is equal to xi minus a, so 5 minus 35 is minus 30, 15 minus 35 is going to be, 15 minus 35 will be what? Minus 20. 25 minus 35 is minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. Now, as you can see, all of them have a common factor, which is 10. So what we can do is, we can divide this di by 10 to get a value which is called ui, common factor. So you'll be getting minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Ab dekho beta, these values are very small. Hai na? So now these ui values will be multiplied with the frequencies. So fi into ui you will find out. So minus 3 into 10 is minus 30. Minus 2 into 9 is minus 18, minus 1 into 25 is minus 25, 0 into 30 is 0, 1 into 16 is 16, okay, and 2 into 10 is 20. Okay? So add all these values. So summation of FIUI is going to be equal to what? It is going to be equal to 16 is here, acha, 16 plus 20 will be 36, okay, and minus 30 got cancel, plus 6, so minus 20, minus 12, so 25, 35, minus 37, and sum of the frequency is going to be equal to what? Summation of fi, how many students mean, acha, so we have to calculate it. 25, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 25 is 45, 45 plus 30 is 75, 16 plus 9 is 25, 75 is 100. Okay? So now beta, the mean formula you have to use, xi will be equal to, for the step deviation method, you know, is a plus this common factor which we have taken, di by c, which in this case c is equal to 10. So xi plus c into summation of fiui divided by summation of fi. Okay? So you will be getting a, what is the mean, assumed mean I have taken? Assumed mean I have taken as 35. So 35 plus c is what? 10 into summation of fiui is what? Minus 37 divided by 100. Correct? So this 0 to this 0 got cancelled. So you'll be getting 35 minus 3.7, which is equal to what? 35 minus 3 is 32, so 31.3. So the mean is going to be what? 31.3. So is it? Yeah, correct. देख लो वहीं पे table formation एक बार लिख लो. Table formation is very important, and once you have got it, तो बस देख लो 31.3 is going to be your mean. ठीक है बेटा? So this is all in today's class. I hope all of you enjoyed the class. You can also join the Vedantu and be a part of it, and you can achieve your dream of the marks which you require. Any doubts you have, please don't keep it to yourself. You can join Vedantu now and it's at a very reasonable price. You can buy any 2 micro courses flat at rupees 11, any 2 of your choice. Just type the coupon code FLAT11 and choose any 2 courses. I would say give at least your 10 minutes here, go to this part, go to this micro course link and see what amazing courses are there which can further help you in getting your marks till the end. Okay, beta. So this is all from my side in today's class. Do join the Telegram group which is shown here, and the next session is going to be probability, which is on 20th of February. So thank you so much for attending the class. Please like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night. See you soon. Bye bye.